This is how I make $4,000 a month in my sleep. I was done with my 9 to 5. I couldn't focus on my dreams. I couldn't focus on my home, my relationship, my friends, my family. It was too much for me. It wasn't giving me anything at all. I wasn't making enough money to pay my rent at the end of the month or pay my bills. So I started doing a little side hustle that requires absolutely no skill, no time, and no effort. And because I'm not a gatekeeper, I want to share it with you. Whoa! So today I'm going to show you step by step how to make it happen for you as well. So what I started doing is affiliate marketing. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is the oldest form of marketing online. It's been around since 1989. So that's how old it is. The way it works is that whenever you drive a conversion, you get a commission. So in simple words, you're gonna have a product to sell online. And to sell that product, you're gonna have a link. Now, every time someone clicks on that link and makes a purchase, buys from that link, you are going to get a little percentage of that sale. It could be anywhere between 0.5 to 55%. So it really changes and depends on the brand. So as you can see, this is the perfect way to make money over time in your sleep effortlessly. And this is the first form of passive income that I've ever created for myself. So how did I do it? So all you have to do is head over to nomish.com. There's a lot of websites like Nomish, but this is the easiest and requires zero time. You don't need to apply and you don't need to wait to be approved to get on the platform. So all you have to do is head over to nomish.com, set up a profile, and you can upload anything you want. You can add all of your personal links, your social media, showcase the brands you worked with if you worked with any, and you can upload every video you've ever created in your life. If you don't have any content to share, you can also just add affiliate links. So to make sure that you can actually make money with the links that you have, all you have to do is go over to your dashboard and look at the affiliate brands section. There you can see all of the brands that Nomish has a partnership with and that you can actually monetize on. So what I do is I look at the list and then I look at the things I have in my house. So for instance, I might have something from Fenty. Now I go over to Fenty's website, I take the link of the product that I currently have, and then I add it to my Nomish profile. Now, this is my affiliate link. I'm going to have a commission on that link. So if anyone buys it from my Nomish profile, I'm gonna get money. But how do I make it happen? How do I have someone clicking on my link? Now, the easiest way is creating content. So all I have to do is create a video about this Fenty product that I already own, so I don't need to spend any extra money. Create a video about the product and showcasing why I like it or how I use it or unboxing it, and then post it on my social media. And make sure that all of the people that I reach with my content know that they have to go on my Nomish profile and click on my link to buy it. And that's it. So now that you have your Nomish profile, you have your first affiliate link, you have your video, you are sharing it on social media, and you linked your Nomish profile on your social media, all you have to do is wait for people to actually click on your link. So keep posting on any other platform, share your video on all social media platforms, including Pinterest, Twitter, anything, and just make sure that people click on the link on your Nomish profile. It's as simple as that.